Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your Zoho mail account. Easy guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your computer or phone. In the address bar, type mail, Zoho.com and press enter. Wait for the Zoho mail sign-in page to fully load. Look for the sign-in button or login form on the screen. Click on the email or phone field to activate the input box. Type the email address you use for Zoho Mail. Double-check your email spelling to avoid login errors. Click Next or continue to move to the password step. Click on the password field. Type your Zoho Mail password carefully. Make sure caps lock is off if your password is case-sensitive. If you are on a private device, you can tick Stay Signed In for faster access. If you are on a shared device, leave Stay Signed In unchecked for safety. Click Sign In to log into your Zoho Mail account. If a verification screen appears, choose your preferred verification method. Enter the code sent to your phone, email, or authenticator app. Click Verify or Confirm to complete the security check. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password on the sign-in page. Follow the prompts to reset your password using your recovery options. After resetting, return to Mail, Zoho.com and sign in with the new password. If you use Zoho Mail through a company, confirm you are using the correct organization login page. Check that your internet connection is stable if the page does not load. Try refreshing the page if the sign-in button is not responding. Clear browser cache or try an incognito window if the login page behaves strangely. If you see an account locked message, wait a few minutes and try again. Avoid repeated wrong attempts because it may trigger extra security checks. Once logged in, confirm you are in your inbox and your account name is visible. For extra security, consider enabling two-factor authentication from your account settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.